If you want to create high quality long form videos or short form videos for different social media platforms, then you need to do these 3 things. Today we're diving into video creation with Wondershare Unique Converter. And finally, your videos will get a chance to look the way that they're supposed to. So the very first thing you need to make sure of as a YouTube creator or social media creator is video quality, right? But what if that doesn't happen? Maybe you have some blurry footage, shaky footage, you have some old videos that you want to incorporate into your videos right now, but the quality just isn't good. What do? Well, let's open Wondershare Unique Converter and find out. The very first thing we can do, and the most important thing, is to enhance video quality. So no matter your video's resolution, you can upload your video into the AI video enhancer and increase its quality. Let's test this feature on a few videos so we can see how it works. To enhance a video quality, you can use the AI video enhancer. And I'm gonna upload this one right now. YouTubers are click preview, and the file will be analyzed and enhanced. And then you can export it and have it ready to go on your YouTube channel. It can do the same exact thing for your images. So if you have blurry images, pixelated images that you want to enhance the quality of for your thumbnails or just to add in your video, you can use the AI image enhancer to do the same exact thing. Let's test it out together. Then you can do the same for the AI image enhancer. You can upload your photo. Let's say, for example, you have a screenshot of a video for your YouTube thumbnail. So you want to upload it. You can also use the auto enhancer, and you can see how pretty the enhanced image looks. The second thing your videos need for great quality and to increase their quality is great editing techniques. The video editor, merger, video stabilization, scene detection, smart trimmer, and the auto crop tool are just a few of the ones you absolutely love. Now let's try them together and see how they work for different video clips. Let's go to video, and you can see the compressor, the screen recorder, the enhancer, watermark removal. Go to more tools, and here you'll be able to find the merger, so you'll be able to add different files and merge them together, video stabilization, transfer, and so much more. Let's try a clip and stabilize it. Same as all, it will get analyzed, so you will have to wait a little bit, and then you will see that your video was stabilized and it doesn't look shaky or anything, so it is perfect for your video creation process. Then you can use the smart trimmer, and this will auto detect pauses in your video. So you can select the audio length, the audio buffer, the volume, or 5, and then click on main portfolio page together right now, and make sure to
all
make
of these
adjustments
pauses right here will then be skipped, so you can have your video without the pauses in the video, so then it can easily be edited.
And the third and last thing that your videos need for the greatest quality is audio quality. This makes your videos 10 times better as they improve the watching experience for your viewers. And Wondershare Unique Converter has some great tools that can help us with this. So you can try the noise remover, voice changer, text to speech, and other very important tools that those that work with audio files all the time might need. Let's try each of them right now one by one and see how they work.
Now for audio, you have noise remover, voice changer, text to speech, and so much more. Let's try the noise remover on a sound that I recorded. This is a voiceover I am recording just to show you when you use the noise remover.
A lot of noise so I can see how this works.
This is a voiceover I am recording just to show you from Wondershare Unique Converter. As you can see, the noise was completely removed.
So now you know exactly how to create the best videos with the best quality for your business. You can try Wondershare Unique Converter at the link below to sign up for your free trial and then use it for your business or your pleasure. So there you go. Now you know exactly how to improve your video and audio quality for your YouTube videos and social media videos to have the best quality ever. If you've enjoyed what you learned, don't forget to remind me of that by liking this video and subscribing to my channel for new videos weekly. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!